morning.
Good morning. From Dumangas.
Yes, this was a special day for us because Neb's over here and his mother are one of the very first people that welcomed us to Iloilo City. And then here we are. They're like, listen, for New Year's, for Christmas, that kind of thing, we'd like to take you guys to a really special place. Well, they were right. It is a special place. This place looks so cool. Look at this. It's like a themed restaurant place right on the water. You can see like this fish over here, he's spitting. We're gonna be seeing that in a second. But see, like, look at all these cabanas and everything out onto the water.
Yeah.
I don't know if that's the same place over here or if they're just taking away their business maybe a little bit.
I don't know, but it looks cool. Either side looks very, very cool.
So this place is called DEORIO, and apparently it's really well known in this area. We've been to a few places here. The very first one we went to was Costa Buena, which is kind of like this, but not really. They're all different and they're all unique. We want Mami Pasites and La Carran. So we've checked out a few different places, but this place is definitely unique. Look at this. And I've seen pictures at night. This is all lit up and it looks really cool. Oh, wow, and right away, oh, hello. But right away, you can see here, they got these little cabanas. So they don't waste time. They got space everywhere. Hello, everybody. Where are you from?
From Anilao. Anilao and Barok.
Is that very far from here?
No.
Oh, okay, so you're local?
Yes.
All right. This is our first time here. We're just checking it out. It looks like a very beautiful place.
Yes.
Yeah. All right. Well, thank you, ladies. Nice to meet you.
Thank you.
Look at this. What are you looking at?
Look at catfish.
Oh, your food.
Look at the catfish.
We're pets.
You're like, just put them on a stick.
Depending and grill it.
There you go. There you go. Yeah, those are crazy. Look at that. Look at this.
Look how big that one is. There's one in the middle. It's freaking huge.
Peter doesn't like me, I feel like. You know?
No, definitely not.
I'm just like, yeah.
Wait, from Hunger Games or the other kind of Peter?
Wait, look at this. Tell me what that looks like to you. A mushroom man, of course. A mushroom man. Size queen.
A size queen. Wait, what?
I can't. Okay. I'm not a finisher.
Wow.
This is beautiful.
Oh, wait, and this is where you order? Oh, so they don't have like waiter service. You order and bring it yourself. Interesting. How interesting is
Oh,
this?
they'll serve it to you then.
Oh, they will serve it to you. Okay, so you don't have to walk around with everything. But they have you, hey, this way I guess they can have one person handle all the money.
Yeah.
Makes sense, makes sense.
So you want the fish meal? Yeah. And then we'll get the chicken in.
Oh, yeah, the chicken in the coconut soup. That is a good thing. Is it, that's what this is, right?
Yeah, binakol.
I recognize that name. So 360
Have you tried
pesos. Oh, yeah.
Okay.
And where did we try it? I don't even remember, but we've had it.
You had it a couple times.
It's hard to find a food that we haven't eaten in the Philippines because we've been here almost 2 years.
Then we'll get this one later.
Yes.
Oh yeah, the halo halo is famous here. I saw it online.
Get now this one, and then the calamari, and of course.
Oh my gosh. How hungry are you all?
You know the best, so you do your thing.
Oh, not available. Look at that. That's like,
that's the bucket.
what's that place in Haro?
Yeah, that's the bucket of seafood.
What's the place
Oh,
in
Dios? Rios? Rio?
Dios.
Dios.
Yeah, something like that.
And Dios.
Yeah, they got that sort of thing, right?
With your hands, right?
In New Orleans. Wow. How hungry are you? You know how much food this all is? Listen, that girl last night ordered Grab twice after going grocery shopping. Twice. I couldn't eat. I was like, no, thank you. I can't eat that much. Oh, I think that's the end of the restaurant. I'm gonna go here. Now it's all preparation. How you doing? How you doing, brother? Oysters. Oysters. Oh, you're shucking the oysters.
Oh, to remove dirt.
Oh, yeah, of course. Well. Thank you very much. Everybody loves oysters. Giving the oysters a bath. All right, well, let's go for a little walk while they're doing their thing there. I just want to check this out. Oh, wow, look at that one in there. There's people sitting in it. And it looks pretty cool. Water is very low right now. Tide is out. So it would normally be a lot higher than this. You can see all that mud down there. The water will come back up. Such an interesting place. I gotta watch my head. I'm gonna hit my head on these lights. Wow. I'm a little oh wow. It's strong. It just appears not as strong. Does that make sense? If I fall in, well, y'all have a good show. I don't think it's that deep here, it's just mud. But yeah, I don't know. But I'm making it. So what is in here? Oh, what? Look at this. They even have the fans with the lights on them up there, so you do have your own little fans and everything. So I guess these are, you can book these out, these cabanas. And then same with upstairs. I'm gonna go see. Little photo area over here. Make sure there's nobody in here. No. Yeah. Oh, these are really nice. So you got these little seating areas in here, but then you got your own little rope bed. Again, at night this would be so much nicer, to be honest, because the tide would be up higher. It would be all water. I can see fish swimming out right into the water over there, because the water's so shallow. It's like a six inches at the shallow end there. Yeah. It's a pretty cool place. Yeah, I know. I don't.
Just in time.
I'm still full from last night, so this is going to be interesting.
Well, you go around the restaurant because
$90 for everything.
Did you say $90?
Canadian dollars.
For all the food. But
All the food.
for all the food though, you'll see.
You're going to
Like 10% of a monthly budget. Large groups are starting to show up. This place gets packed.
yeah,
You
she
have to
was
come
saying
early.
that they would not accept reservations, so you had to do like walk.
What do you prefer? To sit like
It's so pretty here.
Oh, this is where I was just over here actually. Well, look at that. I just finished showing this area. Watch your feet, by the way.
Oh my god.
Yeah, it's gonna get hot now. Yeah.
Oh, you can.
Yeah, you can see them.
Yeah, there's so
It's
many
so
of them.
shallow there. Okay, the New Year's feast is about to begin, and it is a feast. All right, so like, look at this.
That's steamed talaba.
Look how
Steamed?
big they are.
Oh, a little rice.
Baked.
Baked. Yeah, I was gonna say they don't look
Cheese.
steamed,
There's
but
like the cheese.
Yeah, it's baked, sorry.
what's this one here?
That is
Calamari.
calamari.
Oh, calamari. Look at the rice, enormous. Kinilaw,
This is kinilaw. This
Love kinilaw. Look at the grilled
Crab.
catfish. Oh,
crispy pata.
catfish. Everybody's getting really ahead of me here, and crispy pata.
classic.
Sir, excuse me lang.
Ramil, mapapicture kami.
Nice gloves.
Aesthetic.
Attacking that crab though. It's the only way to do it.
I am.
The only way to do it. So the food is great.
Yeah, it's really good. The fish is fantastic. Everything's so fresh. It's amazing.
Well, I hope you saved some room
Of course I did.
because
Oh my gosh, it's massive.
Yeah, that's why.
Oh.
No. There's
No, you
the
can have
other
that, you can
one.
have that.
Okay,
there it goes.
there goes the hollow. Alright.
Look at it. It's like...
Anong bagongas mo, ma'am?
Thank you.
Kung gusto niyo mag-share.
Extra.
Oh, thank you. Thank you so
Wow.
much.
There you go.
Okay, kompleto na na-order ni mama.
Wait a minute. How did you leave so much kinilaw?
I know. Because I needed room for this, okay? There's so much food, as if this food wasn't enough.
Is that just the two halo? Okay.
Better lighting.
Look how big it is.
You did massacre that.
I did.
But you didn't eat the face. Why didn't you eat the face?
I wanted to stay pretty. Cool. I'm a stork. No, I'm a
Stork.
Oh, there's some fishes jumping.
Well, there you go. Lunch is done. We're gonna see if Bianca breaks the bamboo.
It was already creaking as I walked. Okay, it's your turn.
Bianca first. You're the test subject.
I feel like I'm actually going to destroy the bread. I'm absolutely full.
I wouldn't step on the glass.
All right, I think she's gonna make it across. No problem. Of course, we were teasing. So yeah, another beautiful place that you can check out when you're in Dumangas. This one is a little bit out of the way. It's not easy to find, so make sure you use Google Maps to figure that out. They're gonna go to the comfort room. Hello guys, look at that, matching colors. So look at this, they have these air-conditioned rooms in here too. And it's got the, of course, the KTV in order to do that. So you got the air conditioned,
Yes, sir.
everything. Oh, he's gonna turn the lights on? All right. Well, I think during the day it doesn't change it very much. So you got one here, and that's the same over here. Look how comfortable they are though. Oh, look at that. This one like sparkles and everything. Yeah, they're quite nice. There you go. If you're a person like me, loves his air conditioning, that's the option. Well, look at that. 1 year.
Happy New Year.
Yes.
We're
It's not.
also celebrating 1 year of friendship.
That's right. It's not just New Year's. It's 1 year also.
Yes.
And this was amazing. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Happy New Year.
This area is like the expansion area, okay? It's going to be the biggest, most modern place that you've ever imagined in the Philippines. It is bigger than Makati and BGC combined. Put them together, this is going to be bigger. 650 hectare major project that's taking